seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to watch your children.
I said probably Mommy's getting
exciting journey.
Mommy's in the soaking wet seat. I see you, Hogapot. Sit back all the way, Bo.
All the way back. Back up again. Hopefully we get to stay on. Seems pretty slow.
We'll see.
That guy's all by himself.
I'm gonna say he's gonna get wet then.
I don't get really well.
Yeah, I would say if I don't get very wet, that's my ride. I'm done. I'll probably be the one to get soaking wet. Yep. There we go. Mommy's gonna. Arms up. Here it goes. Ready to get wet, Chocolate? Ready to get wet, Bean? Yeah? You're not ready to get wet? No. What about you? What about you, strangers? Invisible strangers? Nope. Hey. No, it's not going to be Olivia. Who is it going to be? It's going to be me, unfortunately. Oh, go down, go down, go down. Thank you. Oh, feel free to go down. Oh, dear. Oh, bye-bye, Olivia. Oh, saved by the bell. Only to pop up at the back. Our invisible friends thought they were safe. You got polka dot wet? Whoa! Oh no! Keep on turning. Keep on turning. Oh no! Oh look, we're coming up on the Yeti Mountain.
Yeti Mountain! Which one's the Yeti Mountain? Yeti Mountain!
Shaw. I see the Yeti Mountain. Oh, look. Where the loggers. Ooh! All the forest. Ouch.
There's the tipping truck behind you.
I can't see it. Oh, it's stuck in the water.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye, Mary.
Oh, no. Turn. Oh, dear.
Yes, boys. Here we go.
Oh, no. Go to Daddy.
Go, Jack. Oh, poor Jack. Jack got it all. Oh, look, I just shake my shirt off.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Poor Jack. Jack got it all.
I got it all, huh?
I was in a dry spot on Earth.
Oh, that's good.
That's pretty good.
Do what? Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh.
I just hit him right across. Logan got it right in the face.
Oh, babe.
Right there, he's all of a sudden.
Are your pants all wet? Oh, my goodness. Go right there.
Bleeding, that's your stamp.
Bleeding.
I'm bleeding.
I'm bleeding in the
The water touched me. It's holy water. Nobody's got the elephant spitting up there.
Oh, looks like there might be people coming. See if we can stay on. You have to ask.
Doesn't seem to be that many coming.
Oh, goodness. Not properly, Bean. Put your shirt down before you stretch it out.
got stuff for too.
Y'all went there, Hoggy?
I am the survivor.
That's
okay, my shirt's completely dry.
Ah ha ha.
My pants are dry, so I'm shitting up.
Oh, poop, goodness.
Yeah, what do you guys say?
Thank you.
That's Hoggy's going, thank you.
My favorite morning routine. I haven't ride as many times as the way up to